Hi friends, in this session, we are going to see about Loft tool under Compound Object section. Simply this is combining of two or more geometry shapes using Loft option. First I'm going to create a path in top view. Then creating some profiles in front or any of the side view. After selecting path, here it's a straight line. Go to Compound Object option. Select Loft option. There are two options. One is Get Path, and the other one is Get Shape. Now we have to choose Get Shape option because we already selected path. That is the straight line is path. If you are selected the profile, then you need to choose Get Path option. Created already one by one. Can merge more than one profile by specifying the length of path. Like this. Here we assign 3 profiles into a single path, and it's aligning up to the given percentage of path. Thank you. Please like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe.